Guys, welcome to Snowfall Tech. Today I am gonna show you how to boot a pendrive using Rufus. Here is the website where you can download Rufus software. You have to select Rufus Bootable from here and download it. I'm already downloaded the software. So first you have to select your pendrive or boot drive. Then you have to select ISO file for installation, your Windows 10 file or something. You can find out what is your drive type in disk management here. You have to right click above the disk and select properties and then volume. Here you can see my drive type is GPT, so I'm using GPT drive type. If you are using MBR drive type, you can install using MBR. MBR support only BIOS boot, doesn't support UEFI boot type. Then you have to click on start and OK. After this process are done, you can use your bootable pendrive. If you want to clean your pendrive as before, you can choose non-bootable from boot selection and click start. After this process, your pendrive will be clean as before. If you want to install Linux system OS, you can choose any Linux ISO you have. Then you have to follow the instruction I have given before. Now here you can see two options. You have to select right on ISO mode, then click OK. After this process are done, you can start using your bootable Linux or install it.